welcome to the online coaching. Myself Chirag Joshi. Dear students, we have discussed in the previous lecture about the introduction part of the 5th chapter. Now, today we are going to start with the definition of the cell. मैंने आपको जब बताया था फ्लो चार्ट में सेल में हम पढ़ेंगे डेफिनेशन, उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे डिस्कवरी ऑफ द सेल और लास्ट में हम पढ़ेंगे पार्ट्स ऑफ द सेल. नाउ इट्स अ सेल डेफिनेशन. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सेल क्या है? बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ. व्हाट इज सेल? सेल इज अ बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ. जैसे ही मैंने आपको बताया था ह्यूमन बीइंग इज मेड, ह्यूमन बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ ऑर्गन्स इज मेड अप ऑफ टिश्यूज एंड टिश्यूज आर मेड अप ऑफ सेल. टिश्यूज का डेफिनेशन ये रहेगा, ग्रुप ऑफ सेल इज नोन एज टिश्यू. ऑर्गन का डेफिनेशन रहता है, अ ग्रुप ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टिश्यूज are known as organs, or different types of tissues combines together to form an organ, and different organ combines, works properly to form a human body. Now dear students, come to the base. What is cell? Cell is a building block of life. और अगर हम बोले तो चैप्टर का नाम फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ इज सेल. Fundamental unit of life, it is cell. Dear students, the cell is the smallest one. Cell is the smallest one. Okay, basic one. Cell discovery. Who was the first person who discovered the cell? The first person was Robert Hooke to discover the cell. Robert Hooke has discovered the cell in 1665. He has observed a cork cell. Okay, cork means a bark. Cork can be obtained from the bark of a tree. Okay, bark of a tree. BARK, bark of a tree. जब उसने ये ऑब्जर्व किया था अपने बनाए हुए माइक्रोस्कोप में, तब वहाँ पे सिंपल या फिर कंपाउंड या फिर इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप नहीं था. उसने अपना खुद का बनाया हुआ था माइक्रोस्कोप. दैट टाइप ऑफ द डिज़ाइन विच इज़ मेड बाय अवरसेल्फ, दैट टाइप ऑफ माइक्रोस्कोप नोन एज प्रिमिटिव माइक्रोस्कोप. ओके, सो उसने अपने प्रिमिटिव माइक्रोस्कोप में देखा था दैट कॉक इज हैविंग अ स्ट्रक्चर like honeycomb components. उसने क्या देखा था? honeycomb के components. means you can understand that honeycomb means in Gujarati we are saying as the madpudo. Okay, this kind of structure. Okay, so he named as a cell. Cell means, cell is a Latin word. Dear students, cell is Latin word. This word has came from the Latin language. Cell means a small rooms. Small rooms. Okay, now and remember one thing, he has observed the dead cell. Robert Hooke has observed the dead cell. Okay, now as we continue our journey, then second is Leeuwenhoek, 1674. Leeuwenhoek in 1674 he find out the living cell. If the question comes, who have discovered the living cell, then your answer is Leeuwenhoek. In which year? 1674. He has taken the sample from the pond water. Okay, moving continue. Robert Brown. The names are looking like if I am teaching history. No, it is science. Okay, Robert Brown 1831 observed the nucleus. He have found out the nucleus. Then Purkinje 1839 protoplasm. He have discovered the protoplasm, and nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. If the question asks who discovered the nucleus, answer is Robert Brown. In which year? 1831. Purkinje in 1839. Protoplasm. Okay, dear students, this thing you have to remember. Now if we move towards the cell theory, the cell theory is not added in our syllabus, but it is there in do you know or did you know or no more. In that, cell theories is given. You can refer to that cell theory. That will be more beneficial and it will add a knowledge. Dear students, this topic should be clear in your mind: cell definition and the cell discovery. Then in the next session, next lecture, I will teach you the parts of the cell. So we will start with the nucleus. Thanks for watching this video, dear students. Thank you so much.